In the quiet hum of a small garage workshop or the corner of a spare bedroom repurposed for creativity, a movement is quietly growing, one that bridges artistry with practicality and craft with commerce. It is the story of the hobbyist turned artisan, a person who once whittled or sanded wood in stolen moments of spare time, but who has now discovered something both primal and beautiful in modern and minimalist woodworking. This journey is not just a transformation of skill, but a reshaping of identity. And in its core lies a compelling truth: woodworking, especially when approached through the clean lines and quiet elegance of modern minimalism, can become a fulfilling, budget-friendly side hustle with real potential for both personal satisfaction and financial gain. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of budget-friendly side hustle woodworking ideas for modern and minimalist home decor and money-making. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Modern and minimalist woodworking is not about extravagance or complexity. It is about refinement. It draws on a philosophy that values simplicity, function, and natural beauty. In contrast to ornate styles of the past, minimalist pieces allow the material to speak for itself. A slab of birch or walnut, cut with intention and finished with care, becomes a coffee table or a floating shelf that feels both humble and elevated. These are not items that try to dominate a space. They exist in harmony with it, enhancing modern homes with a sense of calm and authenticity. This stylistic approach is a gift to those just beginning their journey into woodworking. Unlike traditional furniture styles that might require advanced joinery, expensive machinery, or intricate carving, minimalist woodworking thrives on straight cuts, clean edges, and natural finishes. A carefully measured side table made from reclaimed wood, sanded smooth and treated with linseed oil, can carry as much elegance and value as a high-end boutique piece. This accessibility makes it perfect for hobbyists working with limited space, time, and budget. You don't need a fully equipped workshop to start. A circular saw, a sander, a drill, and a workbench can be enough to bring minimalist designs to life. But something deeper happens in the process. Working with wood reconnects us to something elemental. It's more than just making, it's a conversation with a living material, a practice of listening to grain, feeling resistance, watching how light plays off finished surfaces. The wood teaches patience. It resists shortcuts. In every project, no matter how simple, there is an invitation to slow down and engage in tactile, grounded work that feels increasingly rare in our digital world. That's where the primal beauty of woodworking reveals itself, not just in the final piece, but in the ritual of creation. This is often where a hobbyist begins to see the shift from maker for pleasure to artisan with purpose. What starts as an evening activity to relax or escape slowly becomes something more intentional. Friends begin to ask for shelves or benches. A neighbor buys a planter. Someone online compliments your Instagram post and asks, "Do you sell these?" And just like that, the side hustle is born. Not forced, but invited. Not driven by commerce alone, but by a growing confidence that what you are creating has value in the world. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The market confirms it. Today's home decor industry is experiencing a return to the handmade. People are tired of mass-produced furniture that lacks soul or breaks within months. They're drawn instead to items that carry the signature of human touch. Minimalist woodworking, precise, natural, and versatile, fits beautifully into this demand. From floating nightstands and cutting boards to wall-mounted coat racks and desk organizers, these items fill real needs while offering elegance that cannot be mimicked by machines. Even better, minimalist wooden products are relatively affordable to produce and can be sold at a healthy profit. A set of floating shelves made from reclaimed pine and treated with beeswax might cost less than $30 in materials, but sell for $100 or more. The value isn't just in the wood, it's in the story, the craft, the uniqueness. Selling online through platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Instagram allows artisans to build a brand, cultivate a following, and grow steadily without the pressure of scaling too fast. Craft fairs, local markets, and word-of-mouth provide additional channels for reaching customers who are looking for meaningful pieces that feel custom, even when they aren't. What's also powerful about minimalist woodworking as a side hustle is the freedom it gives. Projects can be completed in weekends or evenings. Inventory is easy to manage. Storage needs are minimal. You can start with just a few designs and evolve based on demand. There's no need for massive overhead, expensive marketing campaigns, or deep inventory. The strength of the work and your growing reputation become your engine. As the journey continues, the transformation deepens. The act of creating with your hands begins to shape not just objects, but your own sense of identity. You become more observant, more aware of quality, more attuned to the things you own and why they matter. You begin to make with intention, not just for profit, but because it feeds something in you. You begin to feel that every board, every joint, every grain is part of something bigger than just a product. It's a reflection of you, your care, your effort, your growth. That's the real beauty of the artisan path. It's not about how many items you sell. It's about how you show up and work. It's about the joy of shipping your first order. The pride of reading a customer's review. The moment someone says, "This feels like it was made just for me." These aren't just sales. They're validations of a journey that began quietly, humbly, and with a single idea. I wonder if I could make that. Minimalist woodworking makes this journey possible for anyone. It lowers the barrier to entry while raising the potential for success. It rewards those who are thoughtful, consistent, and willing to let the material lead. It creates products that bring calm and character into homes, and it allows makers to find income, impact, and even healing in the slow rhythm of sawdust and sandpaper. So if you find yourself drawn to wood, to simplicity, to the idea of making something that matters, trust that instinct. Start with one project. Make it with care. Share it with the world. And in time, you might just find that the path from hobbyist to artisan isn't a leap. It's a series of intentional steps, each one richer than the last. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked budget-friendly side hustle woodworking ideas for modern and minimalist home decor and money-making. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.